I want to show you guys this cool thing that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. So I got this amazing bird bath. Now it needs some work. They went ahead and spray painted the rim, and I don't know the eyeballs of the I can't tell if it's fish or dolphin, because I tried to do a little bit of research on the time frame that this came out of, and I got a couple different search results. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get the spray paint off. From my research, it seems like the best way to get the spray paint off is just to go ahead and pressure wash it. So I'm gonna pressure wash it, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set up the bird bath, which I think is going to be a great addition considering how many pollinators I'm gonna be attracting into the garden with everything that I'm planting. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, now I got everything in its place for the most part, and I did pressure wash this. A lot of the blue came off, but not all of it. And I do think it's just a little bit too white for my liking and for the rest of the garden. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a very simple wood stain, whatever I had on my shelf. This one is espresso gloss, and just staining it a little bit to make it a little bit darker. This does take some patience. There's a lot of nooks and crannies in here. Now the bird bath I stained, but the part where you put the water, I didn't put the stain in. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be good or toxic for the birds. So I left that as is. All right guys, so here's how we ended. All right guys, as always, if you have any thoughts or questions, just drop them in the comments below. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you in the garden.